Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for my April BoxyCharm, and we're just going to dive right in. There are 5 products, of course, because this is the starter box, not the starter box, but the base box. So it has 5 items, which I'm going to go over with you. The first item in the box is the Honey Grill Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. If you know me, y'all know I love face oils. I have dry skin. I love the glow that they give my skin. This one is from Pharmacy. Retails for $48. This is a fast absorbing, non-comedogenic, maybe?
Nice.
Face oil that delivers intense hydration and helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. That sounds absolutely awesome because I'm getting older, not younger. And we can all use that over here. So that's that. This is the package. Oh, so luxe. I love it. Love the packaging. I cannot wait to use this. I'm currently using a face oil at the moment. And y'all know I like to finish up my products before I move on. So this will be next in queue. I'm excited. And you will hear about my experience with this in a future empties video, of course, because I always do those. Next in the box is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. This locks your lips in place and keeps them cool with the Icy Sherbet Primer. That's this box here. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps your skin for makeup. Silicone free with water captivating technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. This retails for $32. This is also nice and luxe. That's what that looks like. Love this packaging. I had a jar like this before. Oh gosh. Oh, it smells so heavenly. Oh my gosh, look at the texture. I love that. Wow. I can't wait to try this. I don't use primers as much as I should. I'm starting to get more into them because I have so many. And I do want to experiment, so I'm gonna get to that. Okay, next product. Maui Beauty Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. Retails for $25. Comes in a packaging like this. These shadow sticks are the queens of multitasking. It can be used as primer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and brush all in one. Customizable shadows will cover, sculpt, and line eyes. Easy blend for sheer wash of color or layer for more intensity. Use it as a beautiful smudgy liner for a smoldering smoky eye. So you can go from day to night. So let me show you. I'm so sorry for the noise. I have very little patience. I'm not about to wait until I finish because when I want to film, I want to film. So I'm sorry in advance if it's loud. But this is what the color looks like. And then there's the color. Nice wash of color, so very intense. Y'all know I love shades of gray. This is beautiful. I'm gonna blend it out now so you can see what that looks like. So you can sheer it out a lot if you don't like so intense. That's so pretty. And it's nice and matte. Oh, it has a satiny feel to it. The texture is really nice. I can't wait to use this. Next is the Flirtatious Luxe Cosmetics Monarch Lash Pack. I did already open it. This is what it looks like. I love these. That's the packaging. I'll show you now what the lashes look like because I know y'all can't see. And also it comes with this cute little tool at the bottom to apply them if you need a little assistance applying your lashes. This retails for $38 and it has an angled lash, baby girl, and charmer. So baby girl is at the top here. That's the name of the lashes. And this is charmer. Baby girl is an angled lash perfect for achieving iconic cat eye effect. And then charmer is a round lash for instant doll eye effect. They're both 100% silk and cruelty free. And then you can apply them with your lash applicator. Lastly in the box, I have my KMDR Beauty Kinder Glow Highlighting Palette. That's the packaging there. This is a palette of 3 universally flattering highlighters and 1 marble highlighter. It's talc-free, and has a buttery formula that melts into the skin. So this is the actual palette. This retails for $15. It gives your skin a beautiful luminous look with opalescent pearls and a velvet texture. And it's compact size, which is perfect for traveling. This is what the 4 colors look like. So pretty. It does come with a plastic insert to prevent, messing up your mirror that you see there. So beautiful. I'll quickly swatch these. Wow. Before I even put it on my skin, I saw it was pigmented. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. And a great thing about this palette is that they have different shades. So no matter your skin tone, I feel like these will work on you. As with all highlighters, they can be faded out. Or you can even mix these. Look how pretty that is. You can blend them out and out and out and out and out. If you just want a sheer highlight, you don't have to have them extreme like I like to do mine. Just saying. So those are the 5 items in my box. This is a great box. I'm excited to try out the primer and the face oil. Those are the 2 products I'm most excited about. That highlight palette is going to be super convenient if I do travel again. I'm not sure if I will or not, but that's that. I will be taking road trips for sure. So, that is a great palette for that. And I love the fact that it has a mirror. So I only need 1 mirror when I'm traveling, which is pretty cool. Rate the video, subscribe to my channel if you're interested in subscribing to BoxyCharm, which I highly recommend. I'll have my link down in the description bar. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Talk soon. Thanks for watching.